Today I'm going to show you how I prepare frozen chicken nuggets and french fries in the air fryer. First, I placed a piece of baking paper into the air fryer basket. Then I added the frozen chicken nuggets and arranged them evenly in the basket, making sure they weren't overlapping too much so they could cook and crisp up nicely. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. I set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius and cooked the nuggets for 15 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, I turned each nugget over so they could get nicely golden and crispy on both sides. Once the nuggets were done, I took them out and moved on to the french fries. I used the same baking paper and placed the frozen fries into the air fryer basket. I spread them out as evenly as possible so the hot air could circulate around them. Then I set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius again and cooked the fries for another 15 minutes. About halfway through, I shook the basket a few times to move the fries around and help them cook evenly. This also helps them get that nice golden and crispy texture. After 15 minutes, the fries were nicely cooked and crispy, and everything was ready to serve. And that's basically it. It's a really simple and quick way to prepare frozen chicken nuggets and french fries in the air fryer, with minimal effort and almost no mess. Just remember that cooking times can vary depending on your air fryer and the type and the size of the nuggets or fries.